Hi everyone, this is your Mom Ciel and welcome back to my channel. So what's for today? Today, we are going to make shrimp pasta with cherry tomato. So here are the ingredients that we're going to use to make a shrimp pasta with cherry tomato. So we have couples of cherry tomato, we have garlic, we have 1.5 cup of chicken broth. So we have the basil, water, cup of water. We have salt, lemon juice, crushed red pepper. So this is optional, but I like to use it today. We have also black pepper, pasta, Parmesan cheese, and of course our shrimp. So before we proceed to our cooking, so for me, I'd like to marinate my shrimp with some lemon juice so that it's like have taste already, and pinch of salt and my black pepper so that it have taste already. Alright? So para mamaya pag nilahok natin siya sa ating pasta, so it's like flavored already. Alright? So let's go ahead and marinate the shrimp with lemon juice and salt and black pepper. So it has flavored already. So I cleaned our shrimp already. I took up the shell and then I cut up the back. So mas maganda po yung binibiyak natin yung shrimp. We cut on the back so that it's like really clean and good. Alright, so here is our pan that we're going to use to make a pasta shrimp. And na-heat up ko na po to kanina pa. So I'll go ahead and put it to the medium. And then let's get the olive oil. So around 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And then let's get some garlic. So we got a lot of garlic in here, but we're not gonna use that garlic. So it depends pa rin po kung gusto nyong maraming garlic sa inyong pasta, o some people they like a lot of garlic and some people like a little bit only. So yan, let's saute the garlic. And then I have a couple of cherry tomato, like around 10 to 15 tomato. Okay, ilahat na natin to kasi para mas masarap. Mas maraming luhok, mas masarap. So let's toast the tomato in here. So I always put like a little bit of salt and black pepper para flavored talaga agad sila. Yan. So toast lang natin yan. So this recipe guys is very easy. So madali lang to. Kaya kumbaga para sa mga mami na busy-busy. So ito yung meal na pwede nating lutuin ng mabilis. Okay? So if you see the garlic is like slightly golden brown and the tomato is like toast already. So I'll go ahead and I put my 1.5 cup of chicken stock. Yes. And then we'll put a cup of water. Okay. So let's simmer a little bit. So pag kumulo siya, Then, ilalagay na natin yung ating pasta. Now that the water is boiling, so I'll go ahead and drop our pasta inside. Yes. Okay. Lagay lang natin ang ating pasta dyan. Oops, oops. Simmer is around like, you know, when we cook the pasta, it's like 9 to 10 minutes. And this pasta is done. Okay, so now that our pasta is fully cooked, so just like 10 minutes or yeah, so I'll go ahead and put the shrimp. Okay, so yung shrimp depende rin po sa dami na kung anong gusto nyo. Pwedeng konti lang, kung gusto nyo mas marami, damihan nyo. Yan. Tsaka din po yung chicken stock. Pwede naman po tayong gumamit ng water doon. So, gumamit lang talaga ako ng chicken stock para maiba naman po. So, now we'll go ahead and wait for the shrimp to make it like a little red. Shrimp pasta, full of shrimp. And the cherry tomato, again, yummy food. So, lalagyan ko po siya ng kaunting crushed pepper para naman po may kakaibang taste. Na hindi naman, kung kakain po yung ating mga anak, wag lang, just konti lang. And then, lagyan natin ng konti pang lemon para mas lalo pang sumarap ang ating shrimp pasta with cherry tomato. Oh, look, ang ating shrimp. Nag-red na siya. Yan. Ang sarap-sarap ng amoy. Ang bango po niya. Kasi yung pasta sa shrimp with cherry tomato, additional with lemon, and some crushed pepper. Yummy. Tapos, lalagyan pa po natin siya ng tcharan! Meron tayong fresh basil today. So, talaga nagpunta ako ng market para bumili ng fresh basil. So, pwede naman po namang dry basil. Kung wala, it's okay. But, if you have a basil, it's like much better para mas mabango yung ating shrimp pasta. Kapag gusto nyong medyo may konting-konti lang, yung hindi siya ma-dry, so ilo natin yung ating stove ng konti lang. Ang isa pang magpapasarap dito, lalagyan natin siya ng Parmesan cheese. Okay? Lagyan ng Parmesan cheese. Ooh la la. Like I'd like to add more red chili flakes, but I know si Lawrence ay kakain at ayaw niya siguro na maanghang, pero ako na lang maglalagay sa plate ko. In 2 minutes, we are done. And here it is. Tapos na po ang ating shrimp pasta with cherry tomato. So here it is. So let's go ahead and taste the shrimp pasta with cherry tomato. Okay, so now, tikman na natin ang ating niluto. Oh, okay. So here, okay. Ito lagi ang masarap. Tikiman portion ng yummy food na ginawa natin ngayon. Smells so good, my dear. So let's go. para po sa inyo. Ang unang subo ko. Natatawa ko. Okay, so let's taste. So good. Fantastic and so delicious. Ang sarap po niya talaga, promise. I like yung cherry tomato tsaka yung lemon. Tapos yung pepper na nilagay natin. So good. I love this pasta. Now, this is gonna be my favorite. So, gaya ng sinasabi ko, yung atin pong ingredients ay pwede nyo pong i-visit sa ating description box ng menu na ginawa natin today. Shrimp pasta with cherry tomato is the best. Ang sarap po talaga niya, promise. Because yung shrimp sa lemon, black pepper, salt, and meron pong kick ng pepper, the best. The best pasta. I hope you like this video. And if you do, leave a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. And don't forget, hit the notification bell para lagi kayong update. As always, this is your Mom CL, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.